Equip sent this prime protein for my review, and I'm super excited to try it for the very first time. I'm super pumped because this is grass-fed beef isolate powder. So basically the only thing in here is there is 4 ounces of grass-fed beef. There is cocoa powder, stevia, and nothing else. That is it. So basically it says you want to add this to like your smoothies and shakes. You can add it to your to a beverage of your choice. You can even add this into your recipes. The serving size is 1 scoop. I assume the scooper's in here. Yeah, I feel something hard in here. 1 scoop, and that is going to give you 21 grams of protein, which is definitely something that I am always looking for, and only 100 calories, which I think is fantastic. So, and this is the chocolate flavor. So yeah, I am excited to give it a try. I'm just going to mix it in with some milk because I really want to get that. I mean, all I smell is chocolate, which is a go in my books. Yeah, let's just go ahead. Let me see if I can find, yeah, I see the scooper. So I've got my milk, I've got my frother here. And let me just, I'm going to use the spoon just so that I can grab out the scooper here. And let's see. Okay, so the scooper is already packed right now. Let's see if that will just come out. It might be too compact. Come on, there we go. Okay, so I've got 1 full scoop in here. Hopefully I've put enough milk. I'm not too sure. We're going to put this in here and give this a stir. I'm excited to try it. I love chocolate protein powder. I love it with just some milk, but again, yeah, I definitely love adding, you know, making smoothies in the morning and adding a scoop. You know what? I've never thought that, like the thought of, yeah, adding this to some like baked good recipes and stuff, that is a fantastic idea. So I'm just trying to make sure everything is nice and mixed here. I've still got some powder on the side. Let me mix it in there. It said to put in about 8 to 10 ounces of a beverage. I'm not too sure if I put too much or too little, but we are going to give this a try. Let's see. Yeah, it literally just like tastes like, you know what? It tastes like chocolate protein powder, but it does not have that like chalky whey flavored aftertaste. It's just like delicious, like chocolate milk. This is really good. I'm definitely a fan, and I'm definitely going to be using this in all of my smoothies from now on.